Well, here we are at the 1887 restoration. We're going to be fixing up these walls, fixing up the fireplace, and I'll show you where we're at right now. We're about a week in. I'm going to be taking these walls down to this string line and building them back up about an inch above this string line probably, and there'll be a concrete cap poured on top. We got quite a ways to go down at this end. A lot of this is just, just gonna lay one more rock here and we'll be up to height. We're gonna be filling the whole floor with concrete, bringing it up, filling all these voids. And there's the beast. So it's gonna be a lot of work, but we're about a week in now. Got all the walls down. All these voids were full of dirt. We got that all cleaned up. We'll pump the water out, fill it with concrete, and that'll come up beyond the walls. It'll keep all the moisture out. So all along this side, we are, about a foot low. In some spots, closer to 2 feet. That's right there. Now we're just getting it cleaned up to where it starts to get solid. And then I'll lay a top course up to this line, and then a cap will get poured over top of it. Over there, we're really only a few inches short for most of it, so it'll be about one course going across the top, and then a cap, and then that's getting filled in. The doorway there, or the window, sorry, there's another window down there getting filled in. And that was getting filled in, but it will now be a door, as well as that'll be a door. But we got to build up to like 3/4 of that's going to be built up just to get to the floor height. The floor is actually quite a bit higher in here than what it looks like. That's where we're at now. Concrete's coming this week. I'm gonna get this top started. I gotta pick up material tomorrow. And we got the front corners on this fireplace have all fallen out, so we're gonna rebuild that back up. I'm gonna take off everything above the fireplace and in front of the chimney, and we're gonna rebuild this. I think it's going to be a very, very cool project when it's done. There'll be a roof over top of this with nice big timbers supporting it. Oh, looks pretty good so far. That's just a quick update. If you like this content, you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.